Hello people, this is Yo Sandrino. Yo Sandrino! And this week was very heavy. We touched 41 degrees this weekend. And yeah, you need some fresh places like rivers. You know, you die. And this week I planted the chilies, the first batch. And this was right in the wrong time. The day I planted the chilies, this was a very strong wind, and yeah, they suffered a lot. For now, 3 had not survived. And yeah, tomorrow the temperature goes down, and is there no wind, and I can plant the other ones. Yeah, me show you with the land. Everything is very dry. Yes, everything is dry. Down here is a little bit more water. And see, and I go inside so I show you better the leaves. Oh, the damage. You see, like this one. Yeah, that was all the wind. And yeah, hope they survive. But yeah, if not coming more strong wind, I think most of them will survive. Yeah, I'm very late. You see some of this. Just yeah, like this one. Yeah. Maybe, but yeah, if they come back, they will be very slow. But yeah, tomorrow after I planted the other one, I clean, just remove some broken leaves to give new energy and hope in the best. Yeah. Tomorrow we start with the second garden. For now we remove the black covering while the wind put the cover over the fence, and yeah, it was like breaking down a little bit, and the garden is going well. So the first, you see there some zucchini, pumpkin, beans and going. Yeah, we had a little problem with other beans, with these beans, while the birds come and eat it a lot. You see, like this, they eat it. This is why we put this on, and the day after the wind throw it down, and yeah, now the plant is dying. Yeah, and this is very too hot. Everything needs like double, triple water. And show you the last fruit tree that I planted. This one, madlar tree. It's a cool one. Yeah, hope. And now making more shade slowly. While yeah, we need a lot. And yeah, we are just waiting for the water wheel. It's coming. While here in Portugal, everything takes a lot of time. Even if you have, you decide the price, you decide the work, and after you call the enterprise and say, hey, are you coming for the work or not? And most time it's just, yeah, we are coming, but no, we don't know when. And you are just there, and you don't know if you need to call other uh, enterprise to make the work or not. While now we really need the water wheel. But for now we go down on the river, but yeah, it's like very less water. I hope there will still water in August. But everyone say if you have water in August, you have water all year long. It's the worst month for the water here. Well, yeah, everything is insanely dry. Even when you go with the car, and the dust go everywhere. Yeah, it's insane how much dust go in the air just going with the car on the street. Oh yeah. After I show you home, how it's going, we have a new fruit tree on the balcony. And yeah, I have a lot of problem with the seedlings now. While yeah, the temperature is too hot and I don't wanna buy the machines to cool down. Well, yeah, you really need a lot of electricity, and yeah. While we're looking and it's going worse, I need to buy something to regulate the temperature in the room. While yeah, the seeds are dying. Easy. And see you at home. Hello people, I'm home. I show you the mess. This is one batch, the seedlings. Yeah, I'm very afraid to put it on the sun, but we have a very strong sun now. And yeah, this is why they grow so tall, why they're searching the sun, but I cannot give them the sun, why it's just too strong. After here, I have the other seedlings, they literally die all. Insanely, violet basilicum was there, it's gone. Well, I don't know, it's feel wet, but it suffer a lot. I think why 32, but yeah, it's hot inside. This is like in my room, in my bedroom. This is the other seedlings. I'm very curious of these two, but yeah, this is all chilies, different variant. Again, this is one species, this is other. But yeah, the heat is hitting a lot. Even the other plants are suffering a lot. I have problem to give them water, but I have not something under it. And yeah, even when I give too much water, I go down and I have to clean it, and yeah, a mess. Slowly, we are learning about every plant, how they make difference. Now I show you outside. Oh yeah, I have to show you the last cat. Yeah, he's a really shy cat. And this is how we're going outside. Oh yeah, we put some blocks so we have more light for the plants. They are going very well. After I replant tomorrow some plants, I have finally space. I can put this in other pots. Well, now you see, I don't have space. Absolutely. And yeah, I have to. I cannot put the plants on here while the sun in the afternoon is very too strong. It's literally burn everything. Oh yeah, look this. I don't know who is in English, but it's amaranto in Italiano. Italian. And after I show you outside, this is the new fruit tree we have at home. This is red lemon. But it's just red outside when you give them the right condition. They need a lot of sun and thermal excursion. So like in the day is hot, in the night is cold. When you have this condition, it got very red. I transplanted this one. I do not remember the name. After slowly I make some changes, like the protection, some wood chips. While yeah, it's very hot. When you touch like the ground here, yeah, it's burned. This is why the cactus still going. Look at this little one. They're pushing very good. Look at this one. This is like Goku. Peramelão. This one go there. Yeah. Oh, is it? Everything is growing to make shade. This is for the shade. Ah. Yeah, I forgot to show you. This is our all flowers. Well, in the beginning, we want to make like a nursery to sell the flowers and everything, but yeah, things changed, and this is why I just put some cool flowers in home. Yeah, this is the update. Thanks for watching and see ya.